everyone, and welcome to Jambo Africa, a program that tells stories about Chinese people in Africa and Africans in China. I am your host, Bola. According to the Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Africa CDC, by the end of February, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases on the African continent has surpassed 3.89 million. China has been providing valuable support for Africa and developing countries all along in the fight against the COVID-19. Today, we will get to know China's vaccine aids towards African countries.
On February the 10th, a batch of China-donated COVID-19 vaccines arrived in Equatorial Guinea, the first batch of vaccine aid provided by the Chinese government to African countries.
China demuestra ser el mejor amigo de África, no solo de Guinea Ecuatorial. El hecho de que esté enviando vacunas a África es para salvar la vida de los africanos. Es un gesto que valoramos en alto.
Equatorial Guinean president received his first dose of Chinese vaccine against COVID-19 and encouraged the entire population to get vaccinated.
Hasta ahora, las personas que se han vacunado aquí no hemos recibido ninguna información negativa. Quiere decir que, como lo he dicho, es la vacuna más profesional.
Zimbabwe received 200,000 doses of Sinopharm vaccines from China in mid-February. The country's vice president became the first Zimbabwean to be inoculated locally, kicking off the vaccination drive that aims to inoculate at least 10 million of the country's 16 million citizens.
I urge all Zimbabweans to be vaccinated at their nearest health centers. It is important. Life can never be bought.
These vaccines are the first batch that Zimbabwe has received as it steps up its effort to curb the spread of the pandemic.
Our dear friends of China, these vaccines are certainly providing a new light of positivity for the people of Zimbabwe in these tough times, which have been donated to us by the government and the people of China. A light at the end of a dark tunnel. We are most grateful for this life-saving gesture.
The Chinese vaccines, whose safety and effectiveness are recognized by the international community, bring timely support to the prevention and control of the COVID-19 pandemic in Equatorial Guinea and Zimbabwe. Despite the huge domestic demand for vaccines, China is determined to make vaccines a global public good.
As vaccines are the ultimate solution to win a final victory over the virus, China started early and made arduous efforts in developing COVID-19 vaccines. 4 domestically developed vaccines have hit the market on a conditional basis. Now other 17 COVID-19 vaccines have been approved for clinical trials, of which 7 have entered phase 3 clinical trials. Meanwhile, Chinese vaccine producers are also ramping up the production of vaccines to ensure global supply. Many foreign leaders have been inoculated with China's COVID-19 vaccines. This shows that Chinese-made vaccines have become a reliable source for many developing countries to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry, by February the 25th, China has provided or is providing vaccine aid to 53 countries, while Chinese enterprises have exported or are exporting vaccines to 27 countries. China also decided to provide 10 million doses of domestic vaccine to the COVAX initiative to meet the urgent needs of developing countries.
那么中方开展 新冠肺炎疫苗的国际合作，就是要让新冠疫苗真正成为全球公共产品。我们将继续同各方加强在疫苗、防控等各个领域的合作，为推动构建人类卫生健康共同体、夺取全球抗疫斗争的最终的胜利，来做出中国的贡献。
The vaccine aid is a demonstration of the profound friendship between China and Africa. According to the Chinese Foreign Ministry, China will continue to provide support and assistance within its capacity and in accordance with the needs of Africa. I hope with the COVID-19 vaccines, African people and all the people all around the world can overcome the COVID-19 pandemic as soon as possible. That's all I have for you for today's Jambo Africa. I will meet you in the next episode. See you next time.